Welcome to this video tutorial of Kyligence Zen. In this video, we will explore how to create basic metrics. Open your Zen and then navigate to Metrics. Here you will find 4 options: Recommended, All, Favorite, and My Metrics. Click on the Add New button. We have 3 types of metrics for you to build up: Basic Metric, Derived Metric, and Composite Metric. For this tutorial, we select Basic Metric. Now, under the Column section, choose Cloud Billing Sample. This will be the data set we'll work with. Next, select the measure you want to use for the calculation. In this case, let's choose Cost RMB as the column and select Sum as the aggregation type. To provide additional context and enable in-depth analysis, define the dimensions by which you want to segment your metric value. You can select the relevant columns from the available options. For this demonstration, we select all the dimensions to slice and analyze the cost effectively. If you want to further refine your metric, you can apply filters based on specific dimension values. This allows you to focus your analysis on relevant subsets of data. Now let's configure the date and time settings. Select the appropriate column that represents the date or time in your data set, and choose the desired time granularity to segment your metric value by different time ranges, such as day, month, or year. Then give your metric a descriptive name that represents the analysis you want to perform. This will help you easily identify and organize your metrics. In our example, we name this metric Total Cloud Spending. Once you're satisfied with the configuration, click on the Create button to save your basic metric. Congratulations! You have successfully created a basic metric in Kyligence Zen. Now take a look at one of your metrics. Here, you'll find a comprehensive details of your metric. Explore the metrics you've created to gain valuable insights into your business performance.